What's going, guys? This is Angela Elmer slash AJLM with my cousin.
Sup? My name's Shanine.
Gamer Shanine MC.
Yeah.
And today, I'm going to teach her how to make a sound with these glass.
Also, you guys. It's gonna teach you.
Yeah, sort of. And also, how do I say this?
No.
Probably you've seen these hacks from Mr. Hacker in YouTube. Simple glass hacks that are very dangerous, probably. And this time it will be just me and my cousin Shanine. And I'm going to show my cousin how to do it. Do you know how to do it?
Nope.
Okay.
Not all.
Do you know the three steps?
Yeah.
3 steps.
Get your things.
Prepare.
Yeah. And then wet it.
Make your finger wet. Next,
Then do this.
not too much water, okay? And the next thing is you have to rub it at the edge.
It's supposed to be very hard.
No, yes, a little. And later on, you do the procedure again and again, except the preparing thing. You just do it again, and then sounds come.
What the heck? How do you do it?
Dude, it's super easy. Try watching life hacks and try focusing on it. My finger is still wet. Then, cut. Yep, sorry guys, I cut that. I'm actually trying to avoid video bombers, such as other people in the house. And since we had a little break,
You can see him.
I know. And since we had already a little break, let's try it again. My brother is really messing around with me. But still, he's gonna get popular sooner or later.
Close the door, bruh.
Yeah! Cut. And again, guys, it seems that my brother is really messing around with me, and we had to cut again. But this time, since my cousin, Gamer Shanine MC, here, still doesn't know how, and she thinks she thinks that there's something wrong with her glass, so we actually exchanged glass. So we're going to do the tutorial again. So, since you know already the steps, let's do it again. This is actually her glass. You're doing it. Wait, that was just me. Yeah, it was me. And believe it or not, her glass is pretty loud. This glass here that I'm using is hers, and it's pretty loud.
Clockwise or any circles?
Like this, any circles. Dude, it's okay. If you can push a little harder, not too much hard. You doing it? I wasn't doing anything. When I heard something from your glass, I stopped.
Cut.
And we cut again because another video bomber passed by, so we had to cut. But the bright side, or the good thing is, Shanine, when we were in practicing, Shanine had to cut the video because my brother was messing around again. So the good thing is there was a little sound that came out from her, so she learned. She actually learned. Now she's making a sound. Shut up, messenger.
Is that the sound you were looking for?
Sort of. That was the same sound of my beginning. You have to make your. Oh gosh, it's not wet anymore. That's why it can't make a sound. You sure you're? Here it is.
yours. What if all the viewers cannot hear the sound?
Of course they can. Mine is near the speaker and the hearer. Dude, it's like,
Maybe it's because my hat or something.
I guess it's bad luck for you, but for your dad, it's good luck. You should have asked that good luck charm.
And we're wearing pajamas. So
Good, bro! Girl power, ponytail power, pajama power, no hat power.
yay!
As you can see,
I
guys,
look bad.
my hair is terrible. Seriously, my hair is the worst. But I was
Mine
just
is worse. That's why I'm wearing a hat.
yeah.
But
And so we're done with the glass thingy. We have
let's just break it.
no, don't. Your mom's gonna kill me. Our mother's gonna kill us. So we're gonna make our second video. What's going on, guys? This is just like part 2, but at the same time, we just cut a little bit. So yeah. And now, what was I gonna talk about again?
We didn't talk about anything.
Yeah, gosh, I forgot. I'm really forgetful once it comes in summer. Oh yeah, it's about the store where I get this terrible haircut. I was just messing around with my classmates because they were playing scissors, and I said, "Guys, are you cutting your hair?" And then they said, "Of course we are. Our parents won't mind." So I tried to mess around too, and I said, "Can you cut this? Can you cut this?" And my hair was super long. It was like this long. And then she didn't do it, but my other classmates, super talkative and annoying, actually, my sister was there. He actually did this to the scissors, so my hair fell. And I said, "No," in slow motion. It was the worst time of my hair. My hair, it actually grew, but it's not the right one. So it's not my idol. That's why I have this terrible haircut. If I didn't have this, everything would be okay. Everything would be seriously okay.
Stop it!
If you don't shut that music out, I will let this thing go.
Give me that.
Fine. So, this is how I got this. And probably in the next video, perhaps I might be in the video where Shanine eats my gift.
But blind is a secret. It's gonna be.
She's going to do blind. It's like a challenge that
Blindfolding tasting.
Yeah.
Everything that is in the fridge. No, not everything, but
raw egg.
I'm gonna kill you if you do that.
Well-
Just eggs that can be eatable, that's not expired, good for the health of the children and stuff, you know?
What about-
not good health, but it's okay to eat. It's okay to be eaten
It's
by
not.
children.
It's not.
Kid.
It can't be poisonous. Not food poisoning, bro.
Like pudding.
Gosh, my hairstyle is the worst. It makes
If
me
you
look
haven't,
like.
if you haven't,
It looks like in anime. Okay.
if you haven't watched my video about food tasting,
Like mango pudding.
yeah, and yeah, don't share it. Do not share it, please. Do not share it.
Especially to Sean Patrick,
That's
which is her account. I meant her big bro. She has a big bro. And remember, guys, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
me.